I can live with God. I can live with God.
This convention happens to be different.
I can live with God. I can live without you. Oh,
I bless God that I'm in this generation where I can be a positive influence in the life of those people.
I can't live without you. Oh, tell me, what can I do? 'Cause I can live without you. I can't live without you. Here is my heart. Here is my mind. I give you my
It's yet another year that God still wants to show forth himself, and we believe him because we have seen him in the first one, second and third, and the fourth one, and he has not changed. At every year he raises the bar of what these young ones are doing.
So you can see that we're preparing. Everybody is on top of his or her game. The choir is rehearsing because we have a lot of things to showcase. For this year we have a musical concert. It's titled Wait is Musical. It's all about the Bible story, the story of Jesus from the beginning to the end. So we're going to see our teenagers get into character and showcase what they have learned all the while for this period.
That this year we decided that the theme will be that we will think different. We will not just go the way the crowd is going. And so the young people are set to make sure that they are moving differently from just what every other person does. And so they believe that the way to think different is to thank God. And that when we go with God, we will not miss it. We will get it right. And that's why we say we are thinking different.
This year, I think it's going to be a really special program, right? Because in the previous years we had people that started off David's Place. They were still here. The third convention, the second convention, and but right now we've had the first batch of graduates from David's Place, and this year you see new set of people, new crop of people, ministering and doing things for God.
This place is a place I recommend to every teenager. I'm not just trying to make up a story, I'm not just trying to incite you, but I'm talking from personal experience. It's a place I come every Saturday and I'm blessed. Just seeing the young people, you get all of them coming back from school, all dedicated. You tell them what to do, they're already doing it. You give them a song to score, they're already scoring it. You tell them to participate in one thing or the other. They are enthusiastic, they are passionate about what they do. Now, even at that, they still glorify God. They do things with such ease. They do things with such, excitement. They do things with such passion. And you'll be asking yourself, where are these people from? And I tell you, the world have not heard them. They have so much on the inside of them the world needs to hear.
And I want to tell you that you cannot miss it with your child coming to David's Place. While you are working hard at home, we are working hard in the church, the teachers are working hard in school, and the Bible says that to train up a child the way he should go, and when he is grown, he will not depart from it. Our job is to build people. God bless you.